We are here in Key West Village, the East Village, 6610 in Beaches Turks and Caicos. We're going to do a tour of this beachfront 4-bedroom butler villa residence with private pool. This is 4VP. And here is the outside. You can see your own private plunge pool, seating outside, the hammock, gorgeous little picket fence, another patio area with cushioned seating up there as well. And if we do a full turn around here, you can see what your walkout view will be. You're close to showers, a pool down that way, more hammocks out here. And then when we go inside, you will be able to see the ocean view that you have. The really nice thing, typically I take you through completely finished rooms as move-in ready. This one you are actually going to see the levels of cleanliness that Sandals goes to with these places, because as we walk into this property, you're going to see that they deconstruct the living area to clean after each guest. So as you can see, they have taken apart from the last clients who were here, and they take apart all of the couches and clean all the touch areas. You're gonna have seating for 4 here at the bar, full kitchen area. Again, with this unit as well, the stove and oven were here. They're basically for look. They're not going to operate. This is an all-inclusive, but all of these units were upgraded by Sandals, purchased as is from another resort. They were condos previously, so they're all going to be set up with full kitchen areas. At some point they could set them up to work, but you are at an all-inclusive, so I'm not sure why you would want to. So right here we have the washer and dryer unit. Coming back this way, you're gonna see another patio area out here with a little bit different view from this angle. That is an adults only pool right over in that Key West area. Here is the main level bedroom with television. And again, this room is being cleaned after the last guest, so you can kind of see the level that Sandals and Beaches go to for levels of cleaning. They multi-clean all high touch points and take apart even the couches to make sure that all their units are thoroughly cleaned between guests. So we're gonna head upstairs to the 2nd level. Here we're gonna find another 4-post bed. Nice little closet area, walk-in closet. Granite furnishings in the restroom. We've got a soaking tub, separate toilet and shower area with a pocket door. And off this bedroom, you're also going to have a balcony area. And here is the view from the 2nd level balcony area. Again, this is going to be the 4VP Key West beachfront 4-bedroom butler villa residence with private pool. Heading back inside. We will move on to the next bedroom. We have 2 twins in here. The closet, seating area, television. The views are just incredible. Here is another balcony where you can see a little bit of the ocean if you walk out and go that direction, or you can see the pool, the adult-only pool in the Key West Village back that direction. So this is going to be another one off the bedroom. Again, there are 3 bedrooms on the 2nd level. There is your view from the 2nd balcony. Again, all granite furnishings in the restrooms. We've got a soaking tub in this room. And we're going to head up to the 3rd floor. Here you can see a quiet little space. We've got a little bar area. You could sleep another up here. But look at those views. I don't think anything compares. The Ford VP Key West beachfront 4-bedroom butler villa residence with private pool. We are Epic Destinations. You can find us at Epic with a K, EPIK destinations.com, or call 712-302-3224 for help booking.